guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review is sponsored by Dossier perfume, and let me tell you about the company before I tell you which 2 scents they sent over to me. Thank you for sponsoring this wig review, and let me tell you more about the company. The company stands for smelling good without overpaying. Who is not on board for that? I know everybody loves a great smell without paying their price, honey. So yes, if you are in the market for a new scent or a scent that you have that recently got done, check them out. You could take a quiz and figure out what scent you like, or there's some similar scents to the name brand ones. You could get these up and I guarantee you like it, because I got these 2 right here. Here's the first one. Cute! Can we say birthday party? Okay, no more birthday party. So this scent mimics Carolina Herrera. Y'all know that one, that good Carolina. Yes, honey. And it comes with this card. It tells you everything about the scent, which I think is fabulous, because some people already know which scent notes they like. I don't. I gotta smell it to be like, yeah, I like it or I don't. Some people know by the notes what they like and what they don't like, so I think that's great. So I got this one, and this one is Florental Almond, and I got this other one, Floral Honeysuckle, which is a mimic of Gucci Bloom. And I think out of these 2, this one's my favorite, the one that mimics Carolina. Oh, my honey loves it. Ah! Yeah, y'all should get it. So yeah, thank you Dossier perfume for sponsoring this video. I really do enjoy these 2. I just prefer this one better because it smells so, it smells so me. It's like they made it for me. Oh my god. Also, those of you going back to work, y'all might need a new scent, so check them out. And there are some specials running, which if you buy, I think 4, you get a discount. I'm not sure what a discount is. If you also new to the website, you do get 20% off. So go ahead and please check them out and let them know I sent you. And don't forget to pick up the honeysuckle. Now back to our regular scheduled program. In today's wig review, I will be reviewing a wig by Outre in the style Mikaella. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and let's talk about my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I your games. Dasher, dancer, prancer, vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. The day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, dancer, prancer, vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, dancer, prancer, vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, Rudolph.
Great option for these if you have a perfume lover in your family, and you know that's all they like, that's all they ever want for their birthday and Christmas. Get them some. They may, you know, gravitate to these over the ones at Macy's and these other places where the prices are, let's not even talk about the prices. But yeah, that's a great option for Christmas or the holiday season coming up. So please go ahead and check them out. Their prices are unbeatable. Not to mention there's always some coupons going on. Now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. Outre Mikaella comes with 3 combs, one on each side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps and a wide elastic band that allows for better security of the wig. I do have Outre Mikaella in the color DR Pumpkin Spice, and honey, that hair color is everything about it is a pumpkin spice. Honey, what? Do you see this? Do you see these? Okay, yeah, back to our regular schedule wig review. I'm just so excited about this color. Okay, the wig comes with soft HD transparent lace. It has a 5-inch deep part. It's pre-plucked hairline and sideburn. It has natural baby hairs. It is heat up to 400 degrees. It is beginner friendly, and has great fall colors. You see this? You're not gonna wear this for fall? Why not? Tell me why not. Child, you better get that wig before it sells out. Even if you don't wear it this fall, you might wear it next fall, so go ahead and get it. Okay, so all these are things I like about the wig. If you know, I didn't make that clear. What I don't like about the wig, the curls are in different directions. I don't know how to explain it, but they're not in the same direction. Can you see? Like this one is going whoop. This one is going zoop. No, this one is, I know I saw it. Now it's gonna make me look like I'm crazy on camera. But you can see they're not going in the same direction. They're going in a different direction, and that's annoying. Like, I don't know why it annoys me, because it's not like I could see my own head if I walked outside with the wig, but seeing it on camera, it's weird. Like, why y'all not in the same direction? I don't get it. That's the only thing I don't like. I do have flyaways, but it's bad. It's not that bad. I could tolerate it. Yeah, it's not overly bad, but the color makes up for it. So because of that, I give this wig a 9.5, because the color. You see this? You see this? And look at that lace. Look at these baby hairs. You see? Yeah, 9.5 Outre. I'm loving this one. Really loving this one, boy. But let me tell you, when I first put it on, I was like, what in the heavens is this on my head? I don't know why I didn't like it. And then my husband called me to do something for him in another room, and I walked near the mirror and I was like, oh, who this? And I fell in love with it. So I don't know what's wrong with me, but now I'm loving it. You see it? See those colors? Beautiful fall colors. Whew. And again, I have Outre Mikaella in the color DR Pumpkin Spice, in case you didn't hear me the first time. But that's all I have for you today. If you got to the end of the video, you are the real MVP. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below in the comment section. See you in the next wig. Bye.